business ads, letterhead, Facebook ad page, Instagram, banners, flyers, and others. Or have a look at the best designed documents and you try to emulate the design. So we'll start with letterheaded paper. First is the size of your paper. We are using A4. Let's start from choosing our page. A4 is the general size for Europe and UK. US still uses later, so you come here and choose A4. Most designers will want to use pixel units, but if you're comfortable with other units like millimeter and inches, you can also use them. Here we'll use pixel. This is the number of the pixel, the width and the height of normal A4 paper. So we click OK. Now this is our new page. We'll zoom into the best view of the page. So first we'll get the text. I think I have the text somewhere here. So that will save us the time of typing. So we have the same XYZ Company Limited. So copy it and use it. Copy here. Okay. We go to our title page, which we will name. We'll paste it. So this is the company we're making the letter. Okay. So we choose deep blue. Then you look at the size. I think this size is okay for us. Then we use a block shadow for this design. We go to shadow, go for block shadow, then move to create the shadow. Okay, we make the color of the shadow black. So we come here, it's black already. Let's use brighter color for the company name. Okay, this a little bit dull, too bright. Okay, the choice of color is just get a good color for your company. Okay, we can use several ways to demarcate the content area and the header area. This time we want to use two lines. So we click 2-point line. You drag and try to maintain it in a straight line. With the guys who have it, try to maintain to be in a straight line. But if it is not, press Ctrl and hold it. It will maintain a straight line. Okay, we increase the size of the line. Okay. In this case, we want to use two lines, so we duplicate this line. We make one. We use two colors, so we can use this color here and probably blue color. So we select blue and this color. I think we can make this color red. Okay, I'm clicking the fill now, but this is pen, so we need the pen color. We can double click here to get the pen color, but we want to use Dockers so that we'll just visit it only once. We have all our tools in one place. So the property is on. That's where you get anything you want from a selected object. Okay, so we call up the property. We'll go to pen and change the color. Okay, we are in pen now. We change the color of the pen. Okay, just to make our color match the color we've used before, we'll use the eyedropper to pick a color from here. Okay, so we have the color now. I think the blend of this and black is okay, and that is what we use up. So we'll return it. We'll pack the property bars, so our design is taking shape. So next we need a logo for the company. We have several ways. You've seen several ways we can design logo, either by manipulating text or by using objects. In this case, let's use object and symmetry. So we have to do just any design and use it to make. So we go to the tool and use just any design. Okay, we want to use our familiar color here. So we use a eyedropper to pick the color we are using, and we'll drop it inside this on the line. Okay, we're interested in the fill color, not line color, so we make it bold so that we can pick the fill. Okay, so this is the color we're interested in. So the eyedropper, we'll pick the pen. Okay, we'll pick the color we have here, and that's it. So we are going to turn this object to make a logo. So we use our, I think we'll make it smaller. You can make it smaller. So we use our symmetry tool. We go to objects, we go to symmetry tool, we say create symmetry. This is the object. We'll make the object come closer to give us a design. I will turn this 10 times, so we'll use 360, 36 degrees, so that if we turn it 10 times, it will give us 360 degrees. So all we want is 10 times, it's 100. So we key in 10 and click outside. Okay, this is the design we are getting. If you keep on increasing this, you get different designs, so the option is yours. If you think you may be looking until you have, but I think what we got in 10 is okay. So we click finish. The line, we will edit it. Let's look at our pen outline. We remove the color totally. It's blurred. So we go back, we undo this and go and look at the thickness of our pen. Undo, edit, undo, finish, undo. Or we just go and remove symmetry. That's best for us. We go to objects, we go to symmetry. Okay, we've not finished editing. We finish editing. Then we go to objects again, go to symmetry, then we remove symmetry. Okay, let's say we make this without outline, our hairline, very small line. Then we try the transparent fill because it's small. So we go back to symmetry, objects, symmetry, create. Okay, we'll have the angle. Let's try this. Let's leave it on 90 degrees and see what we are getting. So we continue. Okay, so this is nice. So we use this as our logo. So we create we click finish. So we zoom into our work. Take our newly designed logo here. Fine. So what other design can we make? We can type address here and phone number. We can also do that here in the base of the print. We will do it here. Which design can we quickly do? Remember, you've learned how to make several designs. So what comes to mind now is we use let's use the envelope tool, and we use the one that will give us 3 anchors. So we pull the envelope. Okay, so the color, we can retain this color and we still give it a black block. Shadow. We want the color of this pen to be the color of the fill. We don't want to see the black bit. So we go to our properties, we go to the pen color. We can also say no color, no thickness, all the same, anyone we choose. If we go to fill color, otherwise we click here, go to thickness and say none. So the black has disappeared. Then we give it a block shadow and maybe black also. So we click block shadow. Then we'll start from the center and move it up a little bit. Okay, so this has formed our design. The next is to type our text here. So you use the color that will contrast this color. Check white. If white is okay, or some other color, or it can be this color. So we go to the text we want to use for the address. I have this typed down. So, and the phone number. So we copy this. And paste it here. So we'll ungroup it, so I will manage them one after the other. We will click group. Let me see whether it's grouped. It's not. Oh, okay, so here we'll concentrate on the base where we are typing. This text is too big for here, for our. So we make it smaller. Here we can drag and get what we can still use it. So we make this 12 points, 11. Let's shoot 12 points. Okay, this appears okay. We'll make it bold since it will be on top of another text. So we click bold. So place it here. So we can use black. Let's see how the white will go if the text is white. So we go to the text, go to the fill color for the text, and say hash something like this. No, it's not readable. We'll increase it to a darker color. It's okay. To a very dark color. It's okay. So we use 12. I'm going to use 12 all through for this. So we go to the points and type 12. Okay, so we continue like that until we get what we want. Then we take our phone number here. If there are other information like the website, we can put there too. So this is how to make a quick design. 12. So if we have other information, we type and place it. So let's have a look at our page. We go to fit, see everything. So this is what we have as our letterheaded. Remember, you can use just any graphics, anything. Okay. Or design business card too. So the same information will transfer to business card. What you'll notice is that most designs have their standard sizes, non-standard sizes. Here, CORELDRAW has provided us with the standard for business cards. So we go up here and look for business card. So all these are the standards used worldwide. So anyone you choose is okay. We have business card here. So this is the size. We choose to work in inches and pixels. So this is our new page. So since we've had one design before, this design will not be a problem to us. We'll just group this, copy it, and use it for the business card. Paste. Remove it to our paper, down to our paper, or close to our paper. We'll still zoom in to see it. So we're interested in this where our paper is. So we make this large. Okay. We'll click outside so that we can break them. These two lines we may want to group them together, so manage them. Make it the size of the paper. So we put our weddings here the way we did before. We may want to use a design that have the name up here and this here. So we choose that. We just type the name of the director, maybe Joe. Try to make the size good, so we use 12. Don't resize because we've not actually seen. You know when you select the text, if you see these dots here, so otherwise it will not change. So there is the CEO. Move it to place. Then there is the CEO. The text again, CEO, the same 12. We've not selected this. Select it. Okay. Select text by 12. Okay. So you put whichever information you want. If you need background, there are places you go to get background. There are many places you can go to get your background. Sorry, I did not group. I want to group only here, the line, and now drag it. It has a snap, snapping to the page. Okay. Let's see. Undo. Yeah, I think per condition ourselves. Let's just make it very big. So we see what we're designing. Undo rotate. Undo stretch. I want to have all of you together. Then you can stretch two together. Okay, so this is what we're having. Then if the logo is too big, I can adjust it. Okay, you may need background. Remember your text. If you want block of text, you can type text here, the address, the name of the Facebook. So let's search for background. We go to the network. I'll give you the list of places you can go for things like this. Stock images. Let's look at Pixel Bell. Pixel logo search. Pixel has over 4 million images in all aspects of it. So we want a background. Card background. So here you can see backgrounds you want to use. Let's use this. So we click on the background. We can just click copy it and paste. Life is easy. This is the Google has made it easy for us to copy and paste it. It's allowed. We have copy image. That's all we need. Copy the image. We go to our CorelDRAW. And do That's not our intention. I want to resize this. Okay, so I'll put it and we'll pull this to resize it. We want to take it to the back. We'll do that, but it appears that this our image may be very bright, so just rare things like transparency comes in. Look at this transparency, so double it. So I'll go around transparency, and it's at 50% now. It's in front. We are saying this through our card, but we want it behind. Remember what we said about objects. We go to objects there. These are all the objects we have and their layers. This is the background we have. The background is topmost. We want to take this background to the last object, so we drag it to the last one. Remember, we can still use the back to take it back. So the objects, the bitmap is okay, not really very back. Okay, so that's one way of sending it to back. Another way is to click it and say to back. Okay, so this is the card we are having. We'll revisit the size of our page. Let's say to page unit 2 to page. In most cases, when you finish this type of work, you can just select all and print. You can also send it to PDF. So you say to export. If you want to export for specific projects, you use export for WordPress, for web page. It will do the needful to give you the quality you want. If you click on the export, it will open up the save area and ask you what you want. This is the last place we used, so we want PG, PNG. You will see other formats. So if we choose PNG, it will save as a PNG, which is the most popular. So we can say export, and our work is done. We can go back to view it. It should be exactly like this. Then if you want to export for design and build something you're sending out as PDF, okay, the process is still on. This is how our page. I think it's what we want to click OK. If you want to export for PDF, you come here and say publish PDF to publish it as PDF. So you have the choice of the formats you would like to use. So this is how to design.
We'll have a look on what other people are doing, then you now see how to design yours. See you in the next class.